Click on the gear icon to go to your Stripe settings right here. On the account settings, click on the business option. Then select the bank account and currencies option. And over here, you may add your WISE as the bank account on your own currencies, because each currency can only be paired with one bank account on Stripe. So click on the Add a Bank Account button, then start to add your WISE account holder name, WISE transit number, institution, and the account number. And it can actually be different for some country or continents. For example, this one is for Canadian dollar, means for Canadian people. And if we go for GBP or pound sterling, you can see that instead we will have to insert for IBAN. So make sure to enter your own country or continent's currency while adding the WISE account as a bank account on Stripe. If you still have any questions, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.